In Pilot 5, we have designed a four-step approach where we include the whole supply chain from livestock condition controls to production needs and the final production assessing. So we're going to install the appropriate monitoring mechanisms in the stables in order to be able to infer and to predict whether the animals are under heat stress, which affects the quality and the quantity of the produced milk. Information and data collected from the stables will be shared with the dairy factory through the use of the mechanisms that will be going to be provided by the O-CEI platform. So this will allow the dairy factory to plan and optimize the way that they are going to proceed with the production cycle of the dairy products. Our third step is in the factory, where we're going to implement decision support mechanisms in order to use and to define the appropriate mix of energy sources, including the local grid, photovoltaic panels, but also biofuel. And our fourth step is the overall assessment of the energy footprint per production unit.